Welcome to Sonic Tech, the Self-Learners Club. In this video we'll learn how to change the lock screen background in timeout settings on Windows 11. First, open Windows 11 settings. From the personalization option, open the lock screen. You can personalize your lock screen and set the lock screen background as Windows Spotlight, picture from your computer, or even a picture slideshow. Choose a picture from your computer. You can also enable an option to get fun facts, tricks, tips, and more on your lock screen. For the slideshow option, you can add an album for your slideshow in the same way as adding a picture. You can also enable advanced settings for your slideshow, including camera roll folders from this PC and OneDrive. Only use pictures that fit my screen. Play a slideshow when using battery power. When my PC is inactive, show the lock screen instead of turning off the screen. And you can determine the length of your slideshow before turning off your screen. You can also choose an app to show detailed status on the lock screen. Such as calendar, mail, 3D viewer, weather, Xbox console companion, or none. You can also show the lock screen background picture on the sign-in screen. From Screen Timeout, you can set how long your screen will remain on before turning it off or putting your device to sleep. Finally, you can set a screensaver to conserve energy and maximize performance, and determine how long your computer will wait before turning it on.